law aspirants. So in this video, we're going to talk about alternative law colleges to NLUs. Now those of the students who were asking me that, sir, what should be considered among the lower tier NLUs and some other private law schools, or sir, if I haven't made into any of the NLU, if CLAT wasn't a good attempt, or I didn't score well in the CLAT, or CLAT was a disaster for me, then what should be your approach, or which colleges should you prioritize? Now this video talks about 5 top law colleges that I would prefer you next to any of the NLU. Right? We start with number 1, Symbiosis. Symbiosis Law School, Pune in particular. Symbiosis has 4 different law schools: Pune, Noida, Nagpur and Hyderabad. Out of this, Pune definitely stands out. The reason is very clear, as it appears from the second pointer. It is ranked number 1 private law college by IIRF. Also, the NIRF ranking gives it the 3rd best law school place in 2022. This year too, in 2023, that means the latest report also shows that it stands at number 1 amongst the private law schools, right? So it was established in 1977, and the admission for this particular law school is through the process of Symbiosis Law Admission Test. The SLAT applications are already out. We have made a dedicated video explaining the entire particulars and details of SLAT, right? You can go check out that. The icon would be appearing here. You can use that icon to navigate yourself to that particular video. Now, if we talk about fee, the annual fee is 4,53,000. And if we talk about the placement, right, we don't have the exact numbers of placement, as in like how many students out of those who enrolled sat for actually the placement, and out of those who sat for the placement, how many were offered and how many declined and all those things. But we have one information on the website, that is the median package. The median package at Symbiosis Law School Pune is 8,20,000 lakhs per annum. That is Indian rupees 8.2 LPA. Right? Now, for that reason, I would suggest Symbiosis at the top. Apart from that, if I have to talk about the courses offered, there are 2 courses offered, BBLLB and BLLB. There are 180 seats for BBLLB and 120 seats for BLLB honors. So in total, the intake is 300. Right? If I talk about the next best, I would probably talk about either GLC Mumbai or ILS Pune. But the main emphasis through this slide is to tell you that MHSET is a wonderful exam through which you can go to a very good law school. Right? Now, ILS Law College Pune is also ranked among the best law colleges in this country. Right? First is its government-aided law school in Pune. Second, it's a traditional law college. It has a legacy. Right? And if you look at the infrastructure also, it has a very good infrastructure. It has swimming pool, it has wonderful library, and it has beautiful access to some of the e-resources as well. That puts definitely my choice of top 5. It definitely puts this particular college into top 5 of the choices that I would suggest. Now, apart from that, traditional law college with excellent ecosystem. We talk about ecosystem. We talk about what is the culture, mood culture, debate culture. Definitely ILS Law College stands out in this particular aspect, right? And the fee is also affordable compared to any other private law college, right? For those reasons, I would put ILS Law College at 2nd, right? 3rd would be Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. Now you know that how University of Delhi stands out or calls itself one of the best universities in this country. Some of the greatest minds after class 12, they go to this particular university. Now, the best thing for law students that University of Delhi could offer was to start a 5 years BLLB honors course. Now, last year BLLB and BBLLB honors course were started. Last year the enrollment happened through CLAT. Now, if you search for Delhi High Court judgment on 5-year LLB program for Delhi University, if you search this term, there would be this judgment which would appear on your screen. Right? The judgment says that although last year, that means although in 2023-24, in the cycle 2023-24, CLAT score was considered, from this year onwards, CUET will be conducted, or CUET scores will be taken into consideration to take admissions for 60 seats of BLLB honors and 60 seats of BBLLB honors. You know that Delhi, again we talk about ecosystem a lot. Court ecosystem is there. Supreme Court, Delhi High Court, most of the appellate tribunals, right? Apart from the tribunals which are there, administrative tribunal or company law tribunal, all these tribunal, the appellate bodies of this tribunal, and some of the ministries, the secretarial work, all these are done in Delhi. Now this gives you very good exposure if you are actually looking for a place wherein you can intern at the same time when you are studying, right? Then Delhi could be your go-to place, right? For those reasons, I would put Delhi also. 5 years, especially the Faculty of Law. I'm not talking about any other college. The Faculty of Law College of Delhi University, I would put definitely in top 5. Now, the next would be Jamia Millia Islamia. Now, people don't know about this college. This college is absolutely wonderful. If you look at even the rankings, right? NIRF ranking 2023 of law colleges, next to any of the NLU, this is ranked number 1. After NLU, this is the only college which has been ranked. That means there are 4 NLUs which have been ranked at 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, it's Bangalore, Hyderabad, Bengal, and then one another NLU, I don't remember. After that, 5th in total, and first in any other college other than NLU, this particular Jamia Millia Islamia University holds a place. So, JMI is also wonderful place. To get into this particular college, you have to appear in the separate exam that is conducted by Jamia admission test. You can learn more about this particular examination through another video, another dedicated video that we'll be making in coming time, right? So I would put Jamia also in top 5. Then next to this, I would place even Christ into my top 5 list. Why? Christ was established in 2007. If you compare that particular year of establishment with year of establishment of any other NLU, you will find it that it is older than some of the mid-tier NLUs as well, right? Apart from that, the student exchange program, the wonderful culture they have of debating, mooting, and their results as well, right? Having been won some of the national universities conducted debates and moot courts, mock courts as well. Considering all those things, right, I would definitely rank this college as well into my top preferences other than NLU, right? There are 2 courses which are offered at this particular law school, that is BLLB Honours and BBLLB Honours. I'm talking about Christ Bangalore Central Campus only, right? There are some other campuses also, but if you are getting enrolled into Bangalore Central Campus, wonderful, that would be a wonderful choice, right? Fees also pretty much on the higher side, but given the ranking, given the culture it has, given the place it holds right now, and I would definitely suggest this as well. So, for that reason, I would put Christ at the 5th position. Now, I would also want to suggest few other law colleges as well, including JLC Mumbai and Symbiosis Law School Noida for that matter, and there are few other law colleges, but we'll be discussing about those as well in upcoming videos, right? So if you actually want to see more of such suggestions, please use the comment box to reflect the same, and I will respond to that in coming time. With that, we come to end. Thank you so much.